Sabara Vidya. Now we can know about little bit information about the Sabara Vidya. In India, so many yogis also there, so many great saints also there, rishis also there, uh, monks also there. In India, a lot of traditional spiritual practices also there. In Vedic system also there, as well as Tantric system also there. Anything you can practice anyway, either Vedic way or Tantric way. But in Tantric way, some divisions also there. In the divisions, one of the division is Sabar system. That Sabar system is a purely belongs to common normal people. So some of extraordinary Vedic scriptures, literatures in olden days, nowadays if you go to Google, then you can type anything, then it will show. But in olden days there is no chance for that. But common people suffer a lot of problems. But out of that lot of problems, avoiding and overcome that problems point of view, Sabar Vidya also very helpful in that time. Mostly Sabar Vidya is famous in North India, not in South India. But in South India, people mostly don't know the Sabar Vidya. But not in North India, most of the people well known about the Sabar Vidya. The Sabar Vidya also very very powerful. The Sabar Vidya starts from the Navanas. So that Navanas started for this system for purely innocent common people. That's we have to remember that thing. This Sabara system, generally so many people knows the Sabar mantras, like 1 or 2 mantras only. So if any guru is there, then give that this mantra for this purpose, then they can continue. In our local people, snake bite and scorpio biting, that poisons removing some mantras also there. Some people herpes zoster, that related complaint also they can give the some mantras like that. So these type of mantras, mostly 75% of people follow Sabar mantras. In Sabar mantras, lot of lakhs of mantras also there. You may know some mantras, I may know some mantras. So lakhs of mantras also there in this system. So one of the specialty of Sabar mantra, the Sabar mantra is more, some Sabar mantras belongs to in local languages also. Like in Marathi also some Sabar mantras also there. In Gujarati also some Sabar mantras also there. In Hindi also Sabar mantras also there. In some Telugu also Sabar mantras also there. So these type of most of the Sabar mantras listening like just like a Hindi, but it's not a pure Hindi. If you tell that mantra in front of the Hindi person, they can't tell that exact meaning. But that pronunciation style and reading style is belongs to mostly in Hindi, but not in Sanskrit. Some Sabar mantras, very few Bejaksas also there. Sanskrit based extras also there, but otherwise most of the Sabra mantras belongs to legend like a Hindi. In some Sabra mantras also Arabu terminology also there. It's a Urdu terminology also there. So this is the mostly Sabra mantras. The basic root cause is the low level of people, a common innocent people. If anything suffered in their life, then they sometimes they can't go to the higher people. Sometimes the higher people may not help to innocent people, like low people. So in that time, that common people, they want to also avoiding their problems. So in that time, they are using the Sabra mantras. Actually, that is this program title is Sabra Vijaya. Sabra Vijaya means, so in that in this section, so is this Sabra Vijaya is one of the major specializations of the Tantric literatures. Like Tantric system, one of the specializations is Sabra system. This is founded by the Navanars. So expressed in Matsyendranath called as a Sabra Janaka. Janaka means father. So they are these signs they are learnt from the Guru Dattatreya. This is the one kind of history. But here that Sabra system, this Sabra Vijaya belongs to common fever, body pains, that related mantras also there, and Kundalini also mantras also there. At the same time, some Satkarmas also practicing point of view also there in Sabra system. So lot of mantras also there. I know some people they are practicing the Sabra system sometimes like they are starting that Guru mantra taken from the masters, and they can practicing in proper way of the Sabra Vijaya their own style. That is also they fulfill they are getting the Siddhi. Siddhi means fulfilling that Vijaya in their regular practicing point of view. So this is the specialty of the Sabra Vijaya. In Sabra system, lot of different types of mantras also there. So in nowadays, I saw some YouTube videos. Some of my friends and my students shown that videos in front of me in YouTube. There are some spiritual practicing people also. They are insulting the Sabra system generally. So Sabra system is like a that negative way or like that. They are telling like that. But seriously, my humble requesting to all the viewers, so don't believe such type of useless wording. Because in this Sabra system point of view, Agora Parampara also there. In Agora some cadres also there, like some divisions also there in Agoras also. So one of the division is belongs to this Sabra Vijaya, like Nathpanth Agoris. So in Agora also belongs to this type of knowledge, this type of education. So that Sabra Vijaya is basically the one kind of the best education system. So some people they don't know the what is the actual that Sabra system, but they are insulting this system. So don't do such type of negative way, because in Sabra Vijaya is purely helpful to the common people. If you disturbing the this system, so the God will not, the Navanars will not accepting you. So some people, I recently I saw one Telugu YouTube video. In that video, one famous spiritual speaker told that in Sabra is there is one kind of, it's a negative way. You don't do that, you don't learn that, you don't go for that type of things. If you go, it's it's one kind of negative way, like that they are telling like that. You are just after all, you read some Ramayana, some pages, then you can speak. In read some Bhagavad Gita pages, then you can speak. That is only the your life. But this Vidya, this system starts from the Navanas. But how could you comment to that Navanas? I can't understand. So if anybody is there like this type of system is negative way, so don't believe such type of wordings. So this is the very useful and very powerful weapon for the common people. But you have to learn this type of things in a proper way from guidance of the Guru. So that's very very important. So, but this is also one kind of the way of the tantric system. So when using the Sabar Vidya, then you can do you correct your health, and you can do some satkarmas also there. You can do help to other people. You can motivating yourself also. You may know some of in future also you can know by using the Sabar Vidya, and you can protect yourself, you can protect to others. Then lot of uses also there. Even Kundalini awakening also possible by the using of Sabar Vidya. That is 100% true. By using even Navanas also very great, highly intellectual people. They are very powerful yogis. So it's not a easy thing. In Masinanath, Gorakhnath, Kanifnath, Jalandharnath, everyone is the, all 9 persons is the very very important and very very powerful. They are getting the Paramatma Siddhi. So that is the very very important thing. They are giving to common people to their entire their tapasakti. So here one main thing is in all such chakras also like chakra vedana, then even chayopasana, and then third eye opening, is all the things possible by the using of Sabar Vidya. So Sabar Vidya is not an easy thing. In Sabar Vidya, one of the main issue also there. In Panchabhuta Siddhya, Panchabhuta sadhana also there. It's 5 elements is there: ether, air, fire, water, and earth. This called as a Panchabhutas. These Panchabhutas related sadhana also there in Sabar Vidya. So these are very very important things also there. By using of Sabar Vidya, Dasma Vidya is also there. It's Sabar Vidya connected to Dasma Vidyas also. In Sabar Vidya belongs to Betal Sadhana also there. So everywhere that Sabar Vidya is not a very small thing. It's not a 1 or 2 months. So it's very very wide and very powerful ramp science. It comes from the Navanas. So mostly Nadpankt Agoris or Nadpankt spiritual practicing people mostly follow this Sabar Vidya. So remaining people also, they are interested in learning the Sabar Vidya also there. So this is the power of the Sabar Vidya. It's a major weapon for the common innocent people. Okay, thank you. Namaskar.